What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Arkansas Media Group video. I wanted to bring you guys the second portion of my college life video series. This is going to be a room tour and what we'd like to keep in our room. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to the dorm, guys. Over here we have got my trash can. I know that's not very important, but make sure you always bring a trash can. I've got my bass guitar, my hat, which is also, this works as a lamp as well. 3 settings, works pretty good. Moving on to the desk now. This desk was obviously supplied by the university. I've got my spiral notebooks stacked there, my keys there, you know, all that good stuff. Oh, like an iMac, that's what I use normally. Tape, flashlight, stuff like that. Down here is just more school stuff. This is my roommate, by the way. Moving over here, we've got a big calendar right here. I put dates on there like when homework's due. Moving on into the wardrobe, I have another calendar here, just general stuff up here. So in here, as you can see, I've got clothes. Hanging stuff goes in here, and then I put my underwear and toiletry kit right there and some sleeping shirts there. On the door we just got other stuff, copy of my truck key, all that good stuff. My bed, it's a twin XL, make sure you get the right size sheets. That's kind of important to make sure you do that. Wash them like once a week, change them. This is old stuff and GoPro bags there, my phone. This is the Frigidator. Got some Gatorade, some water, yogurt, Mountain Dew ice, Hot Pockets. That's essential. Hot Pockets are essential, guys. Got my backpack. Moving on down here, we've got some more storage. This is going to be for stuff like coffee and cleaning supplies, and like Tupperware and plates, laundry pamper, hunting bin. Under here is my drawers. Got socks, shorts, towels normally go in there, and then sheets in the bottom. Over here in the windowsill, nice and bright out here at Arkansas Tech. We've got the microwave we're allowed, the Keurig. I got a lamp and a power strip, and my laptop right there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Remember to always stay motivated. We'll see you on the next portion of the series.